Thank you, girls, for those wonderful garlands.
Dolovinana, good morning, ladies and gentlemen. I'd like to, of course, acknowledge the school, the committee, the management, the head teacher, the principal of Valley School, and all the other parents who are here, and also the students. Firstly, my sincere apologies for the delay. I left Suva this morning at about 6:15 this morning. I was in Nandi and got held up in a number of meetings in Nandi. So I've just rushed across over here, so my sincere apologies for the delay and sorry for the wait. Given the fact that we've spent so much time waiting, I don't want to make a long speech. I'd like to, of course, just be here with these young children who will become adults very soon. Very quickly they'll become adults. And the training for them, which is really important in primary school, when they become prefects, the values and the principles they need to be taught, because this is where the leadership formation takes place. And I think it is a responsibility, of course, to all parents to ensure that the students who actually become prefects, that you give them the support. It's very important. And also, of course, sometimes I think a lot of parents forget that your children actually spend the majority of their daylight hours with the teachers. So the teachers have a very fundamental role in shaping what your children will be like. And I think we need to recognize that and be able to acknowledge these teachers for the support they provide. My message to all the prefects today, very simple message: always speak the truth, don't ever lie, and put simply, always treat everybody equally. You may find some student maybe doing something wrong. Just because they're your friend doesn't mean you overlook it. You have to treat them the same as somebody who's not your friend. If they do something wrong, you have to report it also. So there's three basic things: never lie, always speak the truth, and always treat everybody equally. Ladies and gentlemen, I'd like to, of course, put on record and thank the school management. Obviously, the school has been around for quite some time. It's without, if it weren't for members of the community such as those we have here up on the stage, many of the schools would not function. Very few schools in Fiji are actually government owned. I think it's only about 10 or so. All the other schools in Fiji were set up or run by faith-based organizations or community-based organizations. That's why we have schools all over Fiji today. So we need to appreciate all those people who provide the management and those people who are the founders of the school. It's very important to also remember them because without them many people would not have education. As your head teacher, government is very much committed to free education. Even though we had COVID, even though government revenues went down by 50%, government still continued with free education. We still want people in the rural areas to have the same level of access to education as those people who live in the urban areas. It's very important for us that these children are given opportunities to go to school, complete high school, primary school and high school, and should they wish to go to university or technical college, government also provides those types of opportunities for them. So ladies and gentlemen, I'd like to wish the school all the best. I thank your head teacher for the invitation and all the others who are present here, the school management and the parents. I'd like to wish all the students all the best and indeed for the rest of the year. Vinaka, thank you.